remove all my flares because I was having some gaps going on when I put the magnets on. You see this gap right there? The thing, what I was doing, wasn't pasting this flush to the flare. I was just putting it right on top of those like grooves or whatever that they have in there. So right here looked great, and I didn't double check it or anything. I just went ahead and did the rest like the same. So I did this one, and after a while, or one day, I came to my garage and I noticed this. I was like, oh, that's weird. Then I realized that it was not sitting flush. And but I fixed them all, so now they look here on the other side, and this is the way it's supposed to be. Now you can see there's really no gap. It's sitting completely flush now. So from afar, this part, I gotta take this. I think I gotta take that off, and also I got this thing off too, and I should be good to go. Okay, I had to remove all the magnets. As you can see, they're hard. They get stuck hard, but I gotta grind them down a little bit. I noticed there were some gaps going on, so I'm gonna go over and grind them down with a Dremel and reapply them back, and we'll see how they go. Right now I'm just giving it the final touches. So this thing, so I'm gonna put a 3M tape on there, and an adhesive promoter. The other side looked like this. It came off like that because I didn't use a adhesive promoter, but I just installed it and put it in, clean it and all that stuff, and came out just great. I just hope it lasts like that. It stays like that for forever actually. And that's it. So we're gonna do the same for the other side, and we're gonna take it off, see how it looks. Alright, what I'm gonna do next is, after cleaning, I'm gonna fill in these gaps with epoxy putty, and I'm gonna take all the tape off, clean it, put adhesive promoter in there, put the 3M tape, and then apply adhesive promoter all along the edge where the tape is gonna go, and that will increase the adhesion of the 3M tape, and that will fix this problem I had with my flares for a while. So we'll see how it comes out. And this is the adhesive promoter. What we're gonna do is just gonna apply it all along that edge right there, and along the surface where I'm gonna mount it, and that's gonna do the trick. Now you can see almost it adhere almost instantly. So that's it. We'll leave it like that. We'll see how long it lasts, and I think it'll be permanent now.